E go go di go, D D go go. Umopia obodo dike, Umopia obodo dike. Igudo the yellow grinding stone.
Igudu is dead.
The ancient drums of death beat, and guns and cannon were fired, and men dashed about in frenzy, cutting down every tree or animal they saw, jumping over walls and dancing on the roof. It was a warrior's funeral.
Igudu, if you had been poor in your last life, I would have asked you to be rich. When you come again but you are rich, if you had been a coward, I would have asked to bring courage. But you are a fearless warrior. If you had died young, I would have asked you to get life. But you have lived long, so I shall ask you to come again, the way you come before. If your death was death of nature, go in peace. But if a man caused it, do not allow him a moment